Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Labouyi Banann, aka porridge. So what you're gonna need is plantains. I'm only using 2. You could use less than that so you don't make too much. Also some Haitian imported cinnamon sticks here. Those are also cinnamon, they're just shaped differently. And I have some evaporated carnation milk here and clear vanilla. If you are vegan, you can use the coconut milk, and of course some sugar, and that's about it. Pretty easy recipe, so let's get started. So in a saucepan I'm adding 3 cups of water, and then I'm gonna add my cinnamon sticks, and then I'm gonna let that water come to a boil. Now in order for you to get this to come out perfectly without it being too thick or without it being bitter is to time it right. So while you're waiting for that water to come to a boil, you want to get your plantains ready. And what I'm going to do with those plantains, I'm going to remove the end pieces, and I'm also going to peel 2 sides, and that's it. And then after that we're going to cut those up in our blender, and we're going to blend it. Now I have 3 cups of water in my saucepan, so I have about 2 cups and like maybe 2.5-ish cups in my blender, just so I can make sure that it doesn't come out too thick and it doesn't come out too watery. So once I go ahead and cut those up, I'm gonna blend it, and then the water should be boiling by then, and we're going to add it in. Alright guys, so now we're going to add it in the water because it's boiling, and you want to stir. That's like the main thing to do this. You have to stir it and keep on stirring. And you can see right here is already thickened up. So now I'm adding my milk to balance it out. Now keep in mind, because I do have some vegan and vegetarian subscribers, so you can use coconut milk for this. You don't have to use the evaporated milk. And once you stir the milk in, it should look like this. And now I'm going to add my sugar in. And as always guys, do this to your taste buds. You should know how much sugar you can tolerate, or when it's too sweet, or when you need more. So I added 2/3 of sugar in here, and that was enough for me. And I'm adding some vanilla, and that's it guys. Just a quick easy recipe. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And as always guys, thank you for watching. Bye.